What's good, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, congratulations to everybody that is going to be making money off of the official Trump coin right on here. It's been a crazy Saturday, so hopefully you got into it and you made something out of it, or you're still going to be making something out of it. And if you missed out on it, guys, like me right here, because I was asleep when this thing actually started pumping, then this is going to be that video for you, because I'm going to show you guys my price predictions when it comes down to where we should be expecting the price of the Trump coin to actually go to, because I do believe still there's so much money to be made right off of here, and we could still see some pushes to the downside where they would actually allow us to get into this coin at some good prices. So if you do enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and remember, guys, this is not financial advice and you always have to do your own research. So firstly, guys, as I'm saying, it's been a crazy Saturday. Trump actually just started the Solana super cycle right here, and as you can see, Solana actually hit its all new all-time highs, right? These were its all-time highs way back in 2022, and because of the volume that we saw going into the Trump coin, right, it ended up pushing the Solana price to the upside. So you can see today's candle has been insane. It went from 220 all the way to 270 per Solana. So this is insane. The Solana super cycle is here, and these meme coins are about to go parabolic, guys. So even the AI agents themselves, they are going to be going parabolic. But firstly, when it comes down to the price action of this, right, it is going to be very, very simple, guys. So again, when it comes down to price, this is how the markets actually move, right? They move in this direction. We're going to be having a higher high and a higher low, higher high and higher low. So for everything that's going to be going up, I should say, right, there's always going to be a retracement to it, whereby we're going to be having some lower highs in a way, right? And then some, yeah, so lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And somehow this is what we're seeing right here if this support doesn't actually hold. But then for now, with how I have actually lined up my analysis, it does actually seem like this is going to be a good level for us to get into. But again, this is not financial advice, so you always have to do your own further research. But for now, as you can see, we have a higher high, right, then a low, then we made a lower high, and we made a low again. So if this low actually breaks, that's going to be a lower low, and that means price has the potential of actually pushing further to the downside. So is that still the case when it comes down to this coin? Well, that's what I do believe. So for now, I am keeping my eyes on this level right here, whereby I could actually get into it. I actually got into it at the $13 billion market cap valuation. If I actually go onto the market cap right here, it does actually show us that it's going to be at the 5 billion mark, which is insane. But if I do use BullX, right, it's going to show the numbers properly. So this is going to be BullX right here, and you can see the numbers where we could actually see the actual numbers when it comes down to the market cap valuation. So I always use BullX, and this is how I trade, and this is how I found out about the Trump coin, right? I didn't see the tweet. I actually missed on it. So when Trump actually tweeted this, I thought this was just a scam, and that was that. And then I went on my BullX, because this is where now I am going to be getting my course, because I do follow wallets. So again, if you want to get super involved with cryptocurrencies, this is going to be your opportunity, right? If you do not want to miss out on any other play that's going to create generational wealth for you, this is going to be the place. So you have to copy trade, you have to follow the alpha and know where it's at. So I can actually follow my alerts right here, and you can see these are going to be the people that I follow. So if I go onto this coin, just for example, right, and I click on it, I can actually look at it and see where this guy is going to be getting into. So you can see I can get into the thousands right here before they even hit a million. But then I was asleep when the Trump coin actually launched, so it was actually insane. So for me, I still do have potential on this, right? But for now, you can see how price is reacting. So there's still a chance that we might be having a further downside to this. And the cool thing about this is that this is actually giving us a potential to enter at a good price. Now, again, this is going to be the official meme coin, and it's going to be a meme coin, and that means it has no utility. But then again, this is going to be Trump, right? He's going to be inaugurated in 2 days. So this was actually quite surprising that he actually tried to, not tried, but he did actually release a meme coin showing support to the crypto community, right? So it was actually insane for him to do that, and just confirms how he is actually going to support the whole crypto space. And with that being said, you can see with Solana again, like it's going on a parabolic right now. So we should be expecting some more, everything that we're seeing here. We should be seeing rotations to happen. I call them rotations because this is how the markets actually work. So we could be seeing these dumps because, hey, that's like people actually taking profit off of, like, some certain plays and then jumping into the Trump coin right here. But that's how the markets actually work. And if you missed out on this, there's always going to be the next coin. So with how that actually works, right, as I'm saying rotations, I can actually draw them up right on here. This is how it actually works. So we do have, let's say these are going to be the blue chip tokens, which are the likes of Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we have altcoins, and then let's say maybe meme coins right here. So money moves from the bigger coins into the smaller coins, because again, in the smaller coins is going to be where you will be making money, right? That's why people trade meme coins, because that is where the money is going to be in. So you can actually make fast cash with meme coins, and then you can rotate it into your, as you can see right here. So this is going to be the Bitcoins, and then there's going to be arts. So arts, let's say for example, anything that's going to be like the like of Near Protocol right here, or Sonic, or the like of Tier, and whatever is going to be here, right? Those are going to be the arts. And then when they make profit off of there, they're going to be moving it into they're going to be playing around with some profits, and then they're going to be moving it into these meme coins. And now with meme coins, that's where we are having AI agents, right? Again, that's going to be another sector. And then when they make profits off of that, they can then rotate it back into the Bitcoins. This is how crypto actually works. So everyone that's going to be making money off of the Trump coin right here, that money is going to be going back into the major coins. That's how crypto actually works. So still, Solana has the potential of actually going all the way to $1,000. There's going to be a possibility for that. And as I'm saying, there's always going to be the next coin for this. So if you missed out on this, guys, this is just the start, right? Literally, Trump just started the whole altcoin season. The markets are going to be going parabolic, so we should be expecting some more pumps to be happening. And it's not just about the Trump coin right here. You have to be super cautious. If you missed out on this, that's okay. Be super chill, right? Settle yourself, and you just have to log in and clock in the hours in finding the actual gems to get into, like we talked about with the AI agent. So if I go on my watch list right here, I can actually show you some of the agents that I was in, right? Which is this, I should say, right? And if I just go on to AI XPT, because this is the one that I was heavily invested into, you can see I got into it somewhere around here, and price went super parabolic, and already we are going to be rejecting off of here. So there's still potential for this to go all the way to 1 billion, and that's going to be how these coins actually work. You just have to be super cautious. And still, if you want to buy into the Trump coin itself, it's going to be very easy. You can actually just use Phantom, right? You can go on Phantom. This is going to be the easiest way. So I can actually go onto Phantom. I can you can just come onto this section, right? And then you can see there's going to be trending tokens. So whatever you want to buy, it's going to be right here. You can go onto it, and then you can actually just click on swap. So whatever amount you have, you can see this is going to be just my second account. So if I had something in it, I could have actually just swapped this. So whatever amount you have, you can actually just go on swap, and then you can choose whatever Solana that you have in your account, and you're going to be getting those tokens for yourself. Else, for now, TrumpCoin is also going to be on So again, I'm just gonna get it. So this is gonna be the official website where we got the contract address, right? So I can actually copy it, come onto here, and then I'm just gonna search for it. It should be in my search history, which is gonna be this one, right? But the other way in terms of like how you can actually do it is that it's going to be available on exchanges now. So if you come on to Bybit, right, let me go on to Bybit right here. If you go on Bybit, you can go on to Bybit and then Bybit and buy Trump, I should say, right? So this is it. You can see the newly listed coins are going to be Trump. So I'm going to go onto it, and you can actually just engage in some trades. So another cool thing about Bybit that I just found is that they are actually offering up some free money, right? Some free airdrops, I should say. So you can come onto it, and all you need to do is to have some USDE. So you either can convert some of your tokens that you have into USDE. So for example, USD, yeah, let's say USDC to USDE right here, right? This is going to be it. Once you convert some funds into that, like let's say 50 right here, if I do convert it, I am going to be getting some free APR off of this, right? And it's a cool new thing that they have actually just introduced. So you can see supercharging continues and up to 10% with USDE bonus prizes. So there's no need for you to stake, right? All you have to do is to hold some USDE. If I go back to my assets tab right here, you're gonna see hold USDE to enjoy up to 29%. So if you use Bybit, or if you don't have a Bybit account, the link to it is going to be down in the description below, and you can actually use this and you will be able to earn some free cash for yourself right on here, guys. And this is what I had for you guys in this video. Expect more to come, right? I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually copy trade right here for you to also, you know, be at the top of your game when it comes down to trading, and you know how to wallet track, and even how to follow the major influencers. As you can see, this is how I do it, and this is going to be another platform. So if you want to learn this, right, you have to stay subscribed to the channel. And you know, if you do enjoy the video, as I'm saying, smash that like button, right? Smash the like button. Also check us out on Crypto University. This is going to be our Telegram channel. So for more information, for you to be more informed super fast, this is going to be your place so that you don't miss out on it. So again, I will be seeing you guys in the next video.